Namaskar, my name is Swarajita Roy.
নমস্কার, আমার নাম সবিতা রায়।
We are from West Bengal. Today, 21st June 2020, we are celebrating the 6th International Yoga Day. Om Shahana Bhavatu Shahana Bhunaktu Shahaviryam Karavavahi Tejasvi Namadhitamastu Ma Vidhavi Savahi Om Shanti 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 Guru Brahma Guru Vishnu Guru Deva Maheshwara Guru Sakshat Param Brahma Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha.
Yogasana. We can split that magical word in two parts. First part is yoga, which means the spiritual combination between human beings and the universe. For express that bonding, we need that last part, that is asana, which stands for a still body posture to feel the peace by meditation. It has four major parts to complete the physical and mental development. That is Hatha Yoga, Raj Yoga, Karma Yoga and Laya Yoga. Yoga introduced 8 limb path based on yoga philosophy, which is called Ashtanga Yoga. Maharshi Patanjali said these 8 limbs are Yam, Niyam, Asan, Pranayam, Dhyan, Dharana, Pratyahar and Samadhi. Thus the whole human life is influenced by Yogasana. So do Yogasana and stay fit. Human beings are made up mainly 3 elements, which are the mind, body and soul. Similarly, in order to satisfy the needs of these 3, we need knowledge, health and inner peace respectively. As we know, health is a physical need, whereas knowledge is the philosophical need of ours. When we talk about inner peace, we see it refers to the spiritual need, and we feel harmonious only when all 3 are present. Yoga is something that feeds our soul. It is a spiritual practice which relieves us of many elements physically. Moreover, exercise can strengthen our bodies and also sharpen our intellect and steady our emotions. Daily yoga. It is very beneficial to practice daily yoga to benefit greatly from this spiritual practice. You can take classes to practice it or also do it all by yourself at home. Young people can develop a healthy lifestyle to prevent any possibilities of ailments in the future. Further, you can also say yoga is clearly the cheapest form of effective treatment for various disorders and mental ailments. Once you start noticing the harmony and balance in your life, you can get rid of your blood pressure problems, heart diseases, kidney disorders and more. Similarly, it positively impacts the mental health of a person too. Through regular yoga, one can boost their body's immunity and strengthen the development rate. Similarly, when your immunity system is strengthened, you can lead a different life completely full of peace. Thus, when you make yoga and important part of your life, you will start practicing it daily on your own. It is rather easy and convenient to make a schedule of your yoga classes. Once you indulge in daily yoga, you will get better control over your mind and body. Further, your skill will keep developing as and when you keep practicing. Benefits of yoga. The various breathing technique in yoga help in calming the mind of people. It also brings awareness in you and the capability to stay still. Moreover, you can also achieve inner peace through meditation. It also helps in bringing discipline and dedication in one's life. In addition, it is very easy to practice yoga and anyone can perform it. Yoga doesn't just impact your health mentally but also physically as well. You will get greater clarity in life and achieve self-understanding. Similarly, it also makes the body quite flexible. You can enhance your muscle strength and control the cholesterol level and shed weight through yoga. You will yourself notice the stress level go down in your life. Further, there is also the benefits of self-healing in spiritual exercise. Yoga is self-diagnosis where it heals and maintains the body. Of course, it doesn't replace the doctor, but it surely prevents the chances of visiting one. Yoga is truly a spiritual exercise which gives numerous benefits with minimal effort.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like this, then share, like and please comment. Thank you.